Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn 184 USD per city in affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you the affiliate marketing trick and affiliate marketing network that you can use to earn money with this platform. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you know, I always show you different affiliate marketing networks here that you can be able to join and also be able to make money with affiliate marketing. The money in affiliate marketing are always coming from commissions you get from the sales you have made. Remember that the commissions may be different. It depends on which kind of affiliate marketing program did you participate in, and also which kind of affiliate marketing network did you use, and even the affiliate marketing strategy you have already used. Also, the price determine which kind of income can you be able to earn as a commission from affiliate marketing. Now you see I have opened my computer. You can even use your phone, and also what you have to do is the same. We have to come into our computer and also search for Wordable. Wordable is one of the affiliate marketing network that you can join today and be able to make money in affiliate marketing. I have to search for Wordable. As you can see, this is Wordable, and also the platform is Wordable here. And what you see here, what I do is to open this platform. First of all, let's try to click on Wordable and try to open it and show you what is in. After opening Wordable, as you can see, I am immediately directed to the platform itself. First of all, let's see what kind of this platform is it, and also what kind of services do they sell. You always have to understand the given services in which the platform or the affiliate marketing network is selling to see if you are interested in the services and to see if you can be able to proceed with that services. So what I have to do now, let's show you different categories of services they sell, and also once you get interested in these services, also your interest will be guiding you when you are attracting the customers to come and purchase these services, and once they buy, you will be able to earn a commission. As you can see, this now they are showing the import, ready to export, apply export settings, export. This is WordPress logo. You can see save export settings. So this one is used now to be able to help you if you want to be exporting the contents. We can come here at the bottom and see about this platform. This platform is also a tool which is also going to be helping you and your customers to automate content publishing one blog at a time. If you are having, you can see Wordable empowers marketing teams to reduce publishing costs by over 90% by streamlining workflows, optimizing content, and automating the process with just one click. If you have your friends or you are also your colleagues who are having different platforms including WordPress and the other kind of site they have, and also they mostly need to publish articles, they need to publish different information on their sites. Also, without wasting time, you can encourage them to come and purchase the Wordable, and also once they purchase the Wordable, they are going to be using it to automate their content publications. Save time today by automating the publishing with Wordable. You do the hard writing your content, automate your Google Docs. So if you have your content in your Google Docs, you can automate it to WordPress site by publishing also through Wordable. That means the service you're gonna be purchasing here on Wordable, you're gonna be also helping you to automate the content from Google Sheets into WordPress or another site. For instance, we have 100 articles. You can be able to publish them automatically from your Google Doc into the site you have, either WordPress or other kind of site you're gonna be having, which is supported by Wordable. Now let's see the pricing and the plan to see how much money you can be able to make. Before we see the pricing and the plan, let's first see the affiliates. The affiliate will show us how much money or how much percentage you can be able to earn through Wordable, and also this can be helping us to understand if we can be able to proceed with this platform or not. As you can see, here is the application link, and also if you are reading here, you can be able to see that you will be able to earn recurring commission for every Wordable sign up. Help marketers save time publishing content and earn money win-win. It's a win-win strategy. So here is a link for also becoming an affiliate, which is signing up link, and also here is a link for signing in if you are the first time, if you have already an account, when once you want to be signed in, log into your account. Our most commonly used plan starts at $99 per month, and also you 40% commission recurs every single month. Imagine you are also imagine this, they are saying that it starts by for this month $99 per month, and also if you are gonna be earning 99 commission per month, that's 99. If you're gonna be earning a 30 commission per month, you can calculate it now and see how much money you will be able to earn. However, let me try to show you now this amount, and also let's try to see the pricing and the plans to see how much money we can be able to make. Remember, we found that you will be able to earn 40% commission, which is going to be recurring on the purchased plan. For instance, let's take this premium plan, which has unlimited sites, 10 users, 50 export every month, chat support. So now this you can encourage someone. For instance, if you have someone who is having different sites, maybe 20 sites, this can be a great opportunity for him. Maybe this one. Let's suppose that you have attracted a client or customer who have purchased this plan. Let's try to calculate and see how much amount of money you will be able to earn as a recurring commission every year. If it's 40%, let's try to take 349 times 30 over 100. That is why you will be able to earn 104.7, which is a recurring commission every year. 100.7 USD is how much money which can be able to come as a passive income every year. And also let's suppose that you have 10 clients. Also, if you have a 10 difference, now you can be able to make 1,400 every year. So this can be a great opportunity to make passive income or to earn a passive income. And also you can be able to read through different strategies and different key updates here for how this product is gonna be working. Remember, you always have to have a strategy that you're gonna use to promote your affiliate marketing links, to promote your affiliate marketing program procedures and others. So as you see now, also when you come to signing up, you have to come here to affiliate as well, and also you click on this affiliate. Let's go back, and also we click on sign up option. We have here become an affiliate. As you can see, they are directing me to the Wordable tapaffiliates.com, where I have to fill out all this information, fill my name, fill my email address, and fill my password. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna be signing up, and also I have to wait for review. And also if I'm accepted in the program, I will be emailed if I'm accepted into the affiliate marketing program, so that I can start promoting these services which is here and start earning money. Remember, affiliate marketing is always coming with the strategy you have to use to promote the product, because not everyone will be able to promote the same product. You can be able to promote maybe the cruises, shows, phones, but other person is interested maybe to promote this kind of product because he has the clients who are part of techie savvy team. Maybe he has a clients who are developers who are aware of how these services can be able to work. So if you are now having the niche, you have to also to consider your audience, need traffic and the others to ensure that you can be able to fit in this program. If not, you can be able to continue watching our more videos and also see if you can be able to get different affiliate marketing program or networks, if you can see the one you are interested in, or if you can see the one which can fit your niche and also which can fit your audience. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel TV, like this video, share this with your friends. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in a comment section.